My name is Abhilash S. I am skilled in warehouse operation and procurement management. I am performing this video to get World Skill Council Career Development Certificate. I have learned more about the warehouse, importance of transportation, marketing, retail, and the importance of international business and logistics. Warehouse operation and procurement management. Types of warehouse. 1. Private warehouse, owned and operated exclusively for one organization. 2. Public warehouse. This part of a complex of several warehouses belonging to different companies working out of a common compound. 3. Government warehouses are owned and operated by government organizations either for their own use or for other on rental basis. Cooperative warehouses are owned and operated by private individual joins hands to form and register cooperative federations. Warehouses can be different in their functional methodology. Store transfer warehouse do not have any customers attached and have no transaction and simply operate are large store hours for finished product to be transformed to other units and warehouse and demanded. 6. Export warehouses keep materials only for export and cannot do domestic goods transfer. They are established with special exclusively for exported in specified zone and are intended for export incentive benefits. Bonded warehouses will be those that store only duty payable goods and goods on duty paid will be kept specially identified and moved out within number of hours. Their warehouse need customs collectors performing operations operated and will be subject to customized check. 8. Special warehouses operated for special high value goods and from time to time by the government and only by license. Image a bonded warehouse. Container station provided space and intermodal containers. They cater to important to handle materials that arrive in containers and to quantity the incoming good for an long period till customer cleared in on duty paid. 10. Inland containers depot is bonded warehouse for important goods away from source and containers handled. It has required to and B. Goods are required for practical debonding.
Cold storage warehouse are larger, exclusive feature area and a part of much need to cool chain and handle goods like fruits, vegetables, fish, etc. And goods are exported to the kept in the range of 2 to 8 degree all the time, keeping the product in healthy all along. Canal warehouses are exclusive to areas where they are in waterborne and water transportation for movement around the inside large warehouse areas. The warehouses are within water formed into the warehouse within up to rack to load and uploading goods. Open-air warehouse are for large items that can be kept into open. Manufactured cars, trucks and bus within later undergo changes, but space are stored in open air with yard management system. Retail warehouses are the world right now resulting in they need